chat, but don't worry, we will start. All right, so I'm waiting for Aidin. If you're here, let me know you're here. Aidin, Jane, Jess Lee, and Ruben not here yet, but we will start. Okay, all right, let me see everybody's face. Just a minute. Yes, can I get, thanks, yes, Evan, thank you. I'm so happy to see everyone's. Brenda, can you turn on your camera, please? Thank you. Where's Wen-Xing? Where's Gisli? Don't see your pretty faces. Wen-Xing, I only see the top of your hair. Okay, see half your face. Okay, where's Gisli? Are you there? Or maybe go toilet. Gisli, are you there? Okay, hi, I'm Miss Ivy. All right, thank you so much for joining Miss Ivy's class today. All right, very big welcome to Johan. Let me see. Hi, Johan. And then a big welcome when I look for Marissa. Hi, Marissa. And then a very big warm welcome to Roshni. Hi, Roshni. Do you prefer me to call you Rosh or Roshni? Roshni or Rosh? Anything. Both are fine. Okay, both are fine, is it? Rosh.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll call you Rosh. All right. Okay, hi Rosh. Welcome. All right. So for Miss Ivy's lesson, very simple. Just a minute. If you have any question to ask, feel free to ask your question in the chat. All right. And then I'll be asking a lot of questions. So you will type your answer into the chat. Now, do not worry about giving me the wrong answer. All right. Don't worry about giving me the wrong answer. All I ask for is for you to try. So if you are making a wild guess, all right, you can write, oh, is it this? Or you write the answer and you put question mark. All right. But if you really have no idea at all, zero idea on what the answer is, then you type into the chat, not sure. All right. Or IDK, 3 letters. I don't know. Okay. IDK. Your generation always like short form. IDK. I don't know. Okay. So there's no stupid answer in my class. All right. All I ask for is for you to try. Okay. And feel free to ask me question. If I'm going too fast or too slow, please type into the chat and let me know. All right, so let me go to, I hope you enjoyed the video just now. It's on the grasshopper. How do you find the video just now? Can you type into the chat? How do you find the video? Or have you watched the video before? And this is the second time you're watching the same video in case your teacher in school has shown you these videos. All right, thank you. Oh, Gisli is watching it for the second time. Some of you first time watching this. Okay, Johan said the video is good. Thank you. All right. So anyway, all the feedback must be honest feedback. If you don't enjoy it, it's okay to say don't enjoy it. I will not be angry. All right. So please give me the honest feedback. All right, let's start. So this is the house rules. You must turn on your camera and please mute your microphone unless unless I say everybody, anyone, any volunteer, unmute yourself, then you unmute yourself. Right. If not, most of the time we'll be using our chat. So use the chat function to ask a question, use the chat function to answer a question, and use the chat function to share feedback. All right. So if you need to go toilet, do not need to ask me for permission. Just inform me using the chat and then say, I'm going toilet. Then when you're back, just type I'm back. So please be respectful to everyone in this class. Okay. And then this month, there's National Day promotion. All right, member gets member promotion. So sharing is caring. So please share this schedule with your friends and family. Give them the handphone number for the 88 tuition. And there's a referral code, a 4-digit, 4-character that has been sent to your parents. So if you share these two things with your family and friends, they will get to have one free live lesson. And then if they choose to subscribe, they get 25% off their first month, and you also get 25% off your next month. So win-win situation. All right, so please continue to share. So 88 tuition has tuition from P3, P4, P5, P6, Set 1, and Set 2. Next year, they're going to have Set 3 as well for English, Chinese, Maths, and Science. Okay, let's start our first question. Okay, we will be playing games later. All right, so now, which of the following statements about living things are correct? Now, first of all, ferns and mosses. What group of living thing is fern and mosses? Can everybody type into the chat? So I'm going to type my question into the chat. What group of living things, all right, does fern and moss belong to? Okay, well done, Marissa. Okay, so which group of living things does do the fern and moss belong to? I only have one answer from Marissa. It's okay to give me wrong answer, but at least you try. So I should have 8 responses. So far, I only have 1. So which group of living things do the fern and moss belong to? Fern and moss. Fern, moss. Fern, moss. So which group of living things do they belong to? Okay. Johan, thank you for trying. Good try. All right, but it's a wrong concept. Later, you will pay attention for this. All right. No worries about giving wrong answer, but after today, you must learn. Okay? The rest, you see, I only got Rosh. I need one more word behind. All right, it's very good. Your first word is correct. I need a second word from Rosh. All right. If not, it will be very strange. Okay, you need another word behind it. Okay, but very, very good try. Okay, the rest. I'm waiting. Let me see who has not answered. Brenda, that's not right, but good try. Okay, so remember I have funny boys are popular. Do you still remember the groups of living things? All right, so groups of living things. All right, so the memory aid is funny boys are popular. You know, if some boys make funs, they are usually popular. All right, this is just a memory aid. Memory aid, I put inverted comma. All right, so FBAP. All right, so what does FBAP stand for? So this will be, anyone wants to unmute yourself and tell me which group of living things start with F? All right, which group of living things start with F? All right, so it's fungi. Okay, so we have fungi. Okay, maybe I'll write it here. Okay, fungi. And then fungi is a group of living thing. B will means not birds, but bacteria. All right, but good try, Marissa, bacteria. Okay, Marissa gave me fungi, very good. And then A is your animals. So Marissa, you wrote birds, right? Birds come under animals, but of course we have other groups of animals. And then finally, P would be the plants. All right, so fungi, bacteria, animals, plants. Okay, then animals, we have a lot of groups, right? So this is where we have, okay, Gisli's internet is very laggy, so she's coming in and out of the room. All right, so if let's say suddenly something goes wrong in the Zoom session, you can try to exit and come in again. Okay, usually it works. All right, so for animals, right, we have over here would be, I ate rats for my breakfast. So this one, okay, another memory aid for animals is I ate rats for my breakfast. Yucky, right? Can you eat rats for your breakfast? I'd rather eat cereal. I'd rather eat cornflakes. So I put inverted comma for the memory aid. All right. So animals. Someone unmute yourself. Which group of animals start with I? So I have. Quickly, someone unmute yourself. Thank you very much. Insects. All right. Then after, you see, I finished I already. Next, 8. A will be. Which group of living things start with, which group of animals start with M? Where you have the frogs, the toads, the frogs and toads, the salamanders. M what? M, louder please.
Ambience.
Amphibians.
Yes.
Okay, good. Amphibians. All right. So amphibians is one whole word. All right. Then next, R. Rats start with R. So what else? Rat, what? Your crocodile, snakes, tortoise are your. Unmute yourself. Thank you. Reptiles. All right. So I ate rats for F will be your, which group of animals start with F?
Fish.
Fish. All right, then M will be, which group of animals start with M?
Mammals.
Mammals. We are all mammals. And then finally, so I ate rats for my breakfast. Last one is B. Breakfast start with B, right? So which one? Birds. Okay. So here I have, so I'm going to circle the first word. I ate rats for my breakfast. It's just to help you remember the animals. All right, so all these are your animals. Okay, then for fungi, right, there are 3 types of fungi. Okay, so what are the 3 types of fungi? So the memory aid will be MMY. All right, my fungi. Okay, my daddy is my fungi. Do you know my daddy? When I was young, my daddy would make a lot of jokes to me, makes me laugh. All right, so my daddy is my fungi. Fungi sounds like fun guy, right? All right, fungi, it sounds like fungi, the sounds. Then instead of MMY, you change to MMY. I know the spelling of mine is MY, but it's MMY for memory aid. So which are the 3 types of fungi? Anyone want to unmute yourself quickly? Can we go a little faster, please? Which are the 3 groups of fungi? Okay, let me ask, shall we try, Avon?
Mo.
Oh, thank you, Mo. Okay, thank you, Mo. Just enough. The next person, wait, next person, Brenda. Give me the next M. Which fungi is another M? Brenda? Brenda, are you there?
Yes.
Which fungi start with M?
I'm not sure.
The one that I can eat, I can cook and eat. Mushroom also start with M. Okay, thank you. Next, I will have Clarice. Okay, Clarice, can you tell me which fungi starts with Y? Claire, sorry, Claire, not Clarice. Claire? Thank you, Marisa. Well done, Marisa. Claire? Claire, are you there? Claire? Isa? All right. So you all have to remember the MY, my fungi. So there are 3 types of fungi. Now, fungi, they are not plants. All right, fungi are not plants. Okay, then next, I go to plants now. Okay, so plants, there are flowering plants and there are non-flowering plants. Some plants are forever, they will not have flowers for the whole life. All right, so can everybody type into the chat for non-flowering plants, which are the 2 types that you need to know? Let's start with F and M. Thank you, Avon. All right, Marisa, you got one of them. Claire, you can't hear anything. Let me type. If she can't hear anything, no point I talk to her like that. Let me type for her. Okay, Claire, if you still can't hear me, I type into the chat, leave the Zoom and come back again. Okay, good job, Johan. All right, so Marisa, you got both already. Well done. Avon, well done. The rest, do you still remember your fern and moss? All right, fern, moss. Okay, anybody has a good memory aid to remember fern and moss? All right, fern, moss. If your mother hates flowers, then don't buy her roses, don't buy her carnation, buy her fern and moss. All right, fern and moss will forever not have flowers. They are plants.